Right. So last class we discussed substitution method, integration by substitution method, and I explained some standard result. Integral of f of x, integral of tan x dx is equal to log of secant x plus c, and integral of cot x dx is equal to log of sin x plus c, and integral of secant x dx is equal to log of secant x plus tan x plus c, and integral of cosecant x dx is equal to log of cosecant x minus cot x c, and some for example also I explained last class. So related substitution method. Now this total exercise 7.2, totally we substituted that substitution method. So that in that exercise he given some questions, integrate the following in exercise 7.2. So first question, in that first question, so 2x by 1 plus x square. Now integrate this function. So that's why if we take here integral dx, how do we substitute? Whenever, if you remember, fraction there means mostly we take the substitution in 99%, if we take the substitution in denominator value, fraction. So that's why I take the substitution here. Let 1 plus x square is equal to t. 1 plus x square is equal to t. Now we are applying the derivative with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Then what put it on here? X square derivative 2x into dx is equal to dt. Okay, now these values are substituting in the given integral. Integral 2x by 1 plus x square into dx is equal to integral here 2x dx is equal to how much? Dt. Now if you replace here dt, 1 plus x square is equal to t value. Now total this formula converted means this integral value converted into can be transformed into another form. Now we are applying that standard formula, integral 1 by x dx, that is equal to generally what put on here, log of t plus c. Now t is equal to how much here? Log of 1 plus x square, log of 1 plus x square plus c value. So that is the solution of this given integral. This method is a substitution method. Already we discussed this method. Okay na? So right. And second question, log x whole square divides x. Log x whole square divides x. Integral, now we take here integral dx value. Now here substitution. So this is fraction, but previously what we discussed, any fraction given, in that fraction denominator only substitution, that is 99%. But here we take which value if we taken, suppose log x if we taken, that derivative is equal to 1 by x. 1 by x derivative is equal to log x. So the, like that if we search that given relation. So that's why I took the value here. Let log x is equal to t. Now what is the derivative of this function? 1 by x dx is equal to dt value. 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Now given integral of log x whole square by x dx is equal to integral log x is equal to t. Then what put on here? T square. 1 by x dx is equal to how much here? Dt value. Now we are applying the standard result. Then what we are on this value? T cube by 3 plus c. But 1 by 3 into t is equal to log x. Then what we are on here? Log x whole cube plus whole cube plus c value. Okay na? So that is the solution of the second question. Now third bit, 1 by x plus x into log x. 1 by x plus x into log x Now if we want to find out integral value of this function, now first we simplifying this value. Substitution directly not possible. If we applying some simplification, so this value if we converted integral 1 by, here x common there, x common if you taken, now 1 plus log x into dx. Now here substitution, log x derivative 1 by x, but if you consider total bracket value, so that's why I take the value here, let 1 plus log x is equal to t value. Now we are applying the derivative, 1 derivative 0, log x derivative 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Now if we replace, substituted, here 1 by x dx is equal to dt, remaining value 1 plus log x is equal to t. So 1 by t into dt, 1 by t into dt, that is equal to log of t plus c, log of t plus c. Now finally we replace this value, that is equal to log of 1 plus log x plus c value. So that is the solution of third one. Next, and the fourth bit, next fourth one, sin x sin of cos x, sin x sin of cos x. Now if you want to find out integral value of this function, then here substitution, fraction not there. So in that only if you take the substitution value, suppose here sin x there, sin x when if we get a derivative, which function derivative sin x, so cos x if we take the substitution, then if we get sin x, then automatically if we eliminate this value. So that's why if we take the value here, cos x is equal to t, substitution. If you write on the value here, let cos x is equal to t. Now what is the derivative of cos x? Minus sin x. Now if you write on here, sin x into dx is equal to dt value, and sin x dx is equal to minus dt, minus dt. Now we substituted this value, integral sin x sin of cos x dx is equal to integral. So in these two values, sin x dx is equal to, if you substitute the value, minus dt, and sin of cos x, that means what we written here, sin of cos x is equal to t, sin t into minus dt into minus dt. Now what is the value of sin x dx integral? Minus cos x. So that's why already here minus there. Then we are applying this value. What we written here, minus cos t plus c value, minus into minus plus t is equal to cos of cos x plus c value. So that is the solution of that given integral. Next, fifth one, sin of ax plus b, sin of ax plus b, cos of ax plus b. Now we have find out the integral of this given function or value. So then how to find it? Here if we take any one, cos if we consider means sin value there, sin if we consider t, then cos there, so no problem. So that's why anyone if we consider substitution here, let suppose sin of ax plus b is equal to t. Now what is the derivative of sin x? Cos x. So that's why what we done here, cos of ax plus b into, again derivative of that ax plus b, that derivative is equal to a. Here not integration, this is the derivative. So dx, this value dx is equal to dt. Now this value is substituted here, cos of, this value what here, cos of ax plus b into dx is equal to dt by a value. In the given integral, integral sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b dx is equal to integral, here see ma, cos x dx, cos x dx, cos of ax plus b dx is equal to dt by a. Now what is the value of sin of ax plus b? T value. Then what we done here? Dt by a value. Now a 1 by a constant into t square by 2 plus c. T square by 2 plus c. So finally what we done here? 1 by a into t is equal to sine square of ax plus b by 2 plus c. So enough, up to this solution enough, but in our textbook given, again he given simplifying this value. Cos 2 theta formula then cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So if we converted this value in terms of cos, then if we get the textbook answer. Just we converted this sine function in terms of 1 minus cos 2x by 2, then if we get the textbook answer. Okay, enough this one. Right. Next, sixth question. Integral square root of ax plus b into dx. Here only one function given. Now if you want to find out this integral, so just root x, directly root x formula not there in integral. So that's why if we converted this integral value, integral ax plus b whole power 1 by 2 into dx. Now we are comparing the standard formula, integral x power n. Now integral x power n is equal to, integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So that's why what we done here, this value ax plus b whole power 3 by 2 divides 3 by 2 plus c. Correct this one? Again, if you are applying the derivative of ax plus b, how much? A. That value where we are done in denominator. Now finally what we are done, this value 2 by 3a into ax plus b whole power 3 by 2 plus c value. Okay na? So first we eliminate that power, means if you converted that whole power 1 by 2, and we are applying the x power n formula. X power n means 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, denominator also 3 by 2. Again if you written a, why you written a means here derivative of ax plus b. In integration, the derivative value if you written in denominator. In derivatives, that value x multiple if you written in product value. Okay, now that is the difference. So if you identify that difference, here a value, and you converted this value 2 by 3a into ax plus b whole power 3 by 2 plus c. So this is the integral value of the given sixth question. And similarly seventh. X into, seventh question ma, integral x into square root of x plus 2 dx. Square root of x plus 2 dx value. Now here substitution. Substitution means what we consider here substitution. Suppose x plus 2. Now took the value here. X plus 2 is equal to t. From that equation, x is equal to t minus 2. T minus 2. Now applying the derivative on this equation, then what we done here, dx is equal to dt value. Now this is the given integral, integral x into square root of x plus 2 dx is equal to, x is equal to how much more here, integral of t minus 2 into root t, this value how much, root t into dx is equal to dt. Okay na? First we took this value, x plus 2 is equal to t, and from this equation if we convert x is equal to t minus 2, and then what we have done, derivative of this side dx 0 dt. Now for totally we substituted here t minus 2 root t. Root 3 means already if you know the t power 1 by 2. So integral t into root 3, t into t power 1 by 2 minus 2 into t power 1 by 2 into dt value, into dt. Now what we done here, integral t power 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 minus 2 into t power 1 by 2 into dt. Then finally result t power 3 by 2 plus 1, 5 by 2. T power 5 by 2 divides 5 by 2, 2 into t power 3 by 2, 3 by 2 plus c. So next, what will the next step? That reciprocals when we write on this one, what we write on here? 2 by 5. But what is the t value here? T is equal to x plus 2 whole power 5 by 2 minus this value 4 by 3 x plus 2 whole power 3 by 2 plus c value. Okay na? So that is the substitution, t minus 2 x place, and we substituting and find out this value. 4x plus 2 into square root of x square plus x plus 1. Now if we find out the integral value of this function. Now what we consider here substitution, suppose if we take this value, root value, let x square plus x plus 1 is equal to t. Then here derivative what? X square derivative 2x, x derivative 1, 1 derivative 0, dx is equal to dt. Now if you substituted in this integral 4x plus 2 into square root of x square plus x plus 1 dx is equal to integral 2 common, I don't know, here 2 common means 2x plus 1 into square root of x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Now see 2x plus 1 dx, 2x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. So 2 constant, that is equal to 2 into 2x plus 1 dx is equal to dt, and remaining value what here? Root t value. Then what would run this value? 2 into integral t power 1 by 2 into dt, that is equal to 2 into t power 3 by 2 divides 3 by 2 plus c. So then finally that is equal to 4 by 3 into t means value how much here? X square plus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus c value. Okay na? So x square plus x plus 1 is equal to t, 2x plus 1 the derivative, and we take the common 2 there. In that integration we take the common 4x 2 common 2x plus 1. Now instead of this 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 is equal to dt. So this value is equal to root t value. Then we applying the integration 2 into t power 1 by 2. Then whole power 3 by 2 divides 3 by 2, 4 by 3 and this value. Okay na? Right. 1 by x minus root x integral into dx. Integral 1 by x minus root x into dx. Here substitution. So 2 terms only there. Substitution not possible. Substitution not possible means first we simplifying the given integral. Integral 1 by, now here root x common possible. Here root x already there. X place how to write on root x? Root x into root x, x. So that's why if we take first root x common. When we take root x common, again if you write on here root x minus 1 into dx. Into dx, right? Correct ma this one? So x place root x into root x and root x. Root x if we take common, x place root x, 1 place 1. Now if we take the substitution, what we take substitution here? Let root x minus 1 is equal to t. Root x minus 1 is equal to t. Now what is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 into root x. 1 by 2 into root x dx is equal to dt. But here see 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 into dt value. 2 into dt. Now these values are substituting in the above integration. 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 root dt. Root x minus 1 is equal to 1 by t. So next step what we done here, that is equal to integral 1 by root x dx. Instead of this place is equal to how much? Dt value. So 1 by root x minus 1 is equal to how much? T value. Now if you write on here 1 by t. Now what is the integral value of 1 by t? 1 by t means log t plus c, that is equal to log of this value how much write on here? Root x minus 1 plus c value. Sorry, here dx is equal to 2 dt. 2 into dt value. So 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 into dt. Then here 2 into 1 by log t, that is equal to 2 into log of root x minus 1 plus c value. Okay na? 2 into dt value product, 2 constant if you taken log value, this one. Okay, right. Otherwise, if you want means 2 power also if you written, no problem. Log of root x minus n whole square plus c, that is also correct value. Next 11th question, Sima. 11th. So 11th is given here x by root of x plus 4 integral of dx. Now we given value here x is greater than 0. X is greater than 0. Integral x by root of x plus 4 comma x is greater than 0. Now simplifying this integral value. So here substitution x plus 4 is equal to t, suppose, then derivative what here? Only 1. So not possible, dx. So that's why what we taken here, numerator x value. So this type of questions given means if we converted that numerator value also in the denominator form. So denominator form means what? Here x plus 4 there, here only x there. Now if we add 4 and subtract the 4 value, then automatically if we converted same terms. So that's why numerator value, that is equal to integral x plus 4 minus 4 divides root of x plus 4 into dx value. Means what here? If you add the numerator 4 and subtract the denominator 4, then otherwise if you not require this one, plus 4 minus 4 cancellation, again if you get the above step. Now if you split this given integral 2 parts, then how do we split this integral? Means integral x plus 4 divides root of x plus 4 into dx minus 4 integral 1 by square root of x plus 4 dx value. Now here 2 by root 2 there, then value how much? Suppose 2 by root 2, value how much? Root 2 value. Why means root 2 into root 2, then that value converted into root 2. So similarly like that only, if you converted this value, integral square root of x plus 4 into dx minus 4 into this value taken under the power x plus 4 minus 1 by 2 dx value. Okay na? Now this is also if we converted this side, then what would have done? Integral x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 dx minus 4 into x plus 4 whole power minus 1 by 2 dx value. Then if you want to convert this value, x plus 4 whole power 3 by 2 divides 3 by 2 minus 4 into x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 divides 1 by 2 plus c. So already if you know that formula, x power n formula, n power 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2. Now reciprocals if you applying means what would have done here? 2 by 3 x plus 4 whole power 3 by 2 minus 8 x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 or this value square root of. Now this value how to run this value? Square root of x plus 4 plus c value. Here also x plus 4 whole power 3 by 2 means here also root x plus 4 there, root x plus 4. One root x plus 4 common if you taken means this value 2 by 3 into square root of x plus 4 into here 2 by 3 and x plus 4 both common. Then what would have here? Only x plus 4 minus 8 into 3 by 2 plus c. Correct this one? No? So here root of x plus 4 and here root of x plus 4 if you taken common, and 2 by 3 also common. Here 2 by 3 value not there. So that's why what would have done here? 3 by 12. 2 1s are, 2 4s are 12. So 4 plus 8 minus 12 means minus 8. Last step what would have done here? So that is equal to 2 by 3 into square root of x plus 4 into x minus 8 plus c value. So this is the final answer of the given integral value. So once again listen here. Here what given? Integral x by root of x plus 4 dx value given. Now if you want to convert this integration, here form what there? X plus 4 there. So that's why now if we add the value numerator plus 4 and minus 4. Otherwise here x plus 2 there means plus 2 plus minus 2. Here plus 3 there means plus 3 minus 3, like that if we convert that value, and we split two integral values. So first one x plus 4 by root of x plus 4, then if we cancellation means 2 by root 2 value, then again if we get root of x plus 4, and similarly here same, if we take it onto the power and we apply the integration value. But here calculation part what ma? Here root of x plus 4 there, here root of x plus 4. So if we take one root of x plus 4, if we get the value. So 3 by 2 meaning what? X plus 4 power 1 into x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 root value. So now if we take this value and we get the final answer. Okay na? Right. Right. Okay ma? So 11th one over. And 12th one see ma? So 12th question, x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 into x power 5 integral dx. Okay na? Integral x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 x power 5 into dx. Then here substitution. Suppose if we take this value x power 5 substitution, then derivative what? 5 into x power 4. X power 4 not there. Otherwise if we take this one x cube 3x square. So this is possible. So then how to write this one? First integral x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 into this value, if you split this power, x cube x square. Okay na? So x power 5 can be reduced into product form, x cube into x square. Now see ma, suppose if we take this is the substitution, x cube minus 1 is equal to t. Now what is the derivative of x cube? 3 into x square. So x square there, no problem. So that's why derivative if means 3 into x square dx is equal to dt. 3 into x square dx is equal to dt. X square dx is equal to dt by 3 value. Now we substituted these values in the above integral x cube minus 1. Then what we done here? T power 1 by 3 into x square dx. Instead of these two values, dt by 3. Next, here x cube there. X cube how much from that equation? Sima? X cube is equal to t plus 1. Correct? Da? X cube minus 1 is equal to t. Then x cube is equal to how much? T plus 1. Now instead of this x cube plus what we done here? T plus 1 value. T plus 1. Okay na? Right Sima? First x power 5 can be written in product form, powers product, x cube into x square. After then if we take, this is the substitution and we applying the derivative, 3x square into dx is equal to dt. From that equation only x cube written, t plus 1. Now these values are substituting in the above integration, t power 1 by 3, t plus 1 means x cube and dt by dt value. Now if we take the product, then what we written here? That is equal to integral. So t power 1 by 3 into t power 1 by 3 into t plus t power 1 by 3 into dt by 3 value, that is equal to 1 by 3 integral. But this value how much? 1 by 3 plus 1, 1 by 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 plus, so t power 1 by 3 into dt value. Correct? 1 by 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Right. Next, that is equal to 1 by 3. So this integral what we done here? T power 7 by 3 divides 7 by 3 plus t power 1 by 4, 1 plus 3 plus 1, 4. So 1 by 4 plus c value. Then now here value how much more? 1 by 7 value and x cube minus 1, 7 by 3. Next here integration, t power 1 by 3, t power 1 by 3, integration means plus 1. So 1 plus 3, 4 by 3. Here value how much more here? 4 by 3. Again this value how much here? 4 by 3 value. So then 4 by 3 means value how much? 3 cancellation. So 1 by 4. This value how much more? 1 by 4 into x cube minus 1, 4 by 3 value. Okay na? So reciprocal 3 cancellation. So 1 by 4 into x cube minus 1 whole power 4 by 3 plus 1 value. Yes, integral x square by 2 plus 3x cube, 3 into x cube whole cube dx. Okay na? Integral x square by 2 plus 3x cube whole cube dx value. Now here we take substitution ma. Let 2 plus 3x cube is equal to t value. Now what is the derivative of this value? 2 derivative 0 and 3 into 3x square means 3 3s are 9. So x square dx is equal to dt value. Now x square dx is equal to how much more? X square dx is equal to dt by 9. So that is equal to integral x square dx is equal to dt by 9. So 1 by 2 plus 3x cube 2 plus 3x cube is equal to t. So this value t cube. Then what we done here? Dt by 9 value. That is equal to 1 by 9 integral t power minus 1. T power minus 1 means t power minus 3 plus 1 divides minus 3 plus 1 plus c value. Then how much same this value? That is equal to minus 1 by 18. So t power minus 2 means 1 by t square plus c. That is equal to minus 1 by 18 into 1 by t square means value how much here? 2 plus 3x cube whole square plus c value. Okay na? So that is the integration value of the given function. 2x plus 3x cube is equal to t. Again we are applying the derivative 0. 3 into x cube derivative 3x square 9x square, and we find out this is the solution. Minus 1 by 8 into 1 by 2 plus 3x cube plus x square value. Right, next one 14th, easy only this bit, 14th bit, integral 1 by x into log x whole power m into dx, comma x is greater than 0 and m is not equal to 1 value. So those are the condition on x value and m is not equal to 1. Now here substitution what we have done here, let log x is equal to t. Then if you run the value 1 by x dx is equal to dt value. Now that is equal to integral, here see 1 by x dx is equal to dt, 1 by log x is equal to t, t power m value, that is equal to integral t power minus m into dt, that is equal to what we have done here, t power minus m plus 1 by minus m plus 1, that is equal to t is equal to how much here, log x whole power 1 minus m by 1 minus m by here plus c radha, plus c is equal to log x whole power 1 minus m by 1 minus m plus c value. Okay na? So whenever after completion of integration must and should be add the c value, after then we substitute the given value. Next 15th one, x by integral x by 9 minus 4x square dx. So this one also simple question. So first we take the substitution, let 9 minus 4x square is equal to t value. Now what is the derivative of this value? 9 value 0 minus 8x dx is equal to dt, x dx is equal to minus dt by 8. Okay na? Next that is equal to integral x dx minus dt by 8. So 1 by t into minus dt by 8 value, that is equal to minus 1 by t. So 1 by 8, so 1 by t integral what log t plus c, that is equal to minus 1 by 8 into log of t, t is equal to 9 minus 4x square plus c value. Okay na? Right, next 16th, easy bit this one also, integral e power 2x plus 3 into dx value. Okay na? Here substitution means 2x plus d. So e power 2x there, that one substitution done 2 power, sorry, 2x plus 3 is equal to t. Now this derivative what 2 into dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to dt by 2 value, dt by 2. Then that is equal to integral e power t into dt by 2 value, that is equal to 1 by 2 into e power t plus c, that is equal to 1 by 2 into e power t is equal to how much there here? 2x plus 3 plus c value. Okay na? Otherwise directly also we applying no problem. Integral e power x how much? Integral e power x dx is equal to e power x. Directly written e power 2x plus 3. Again derivative of 2x plus 3 2. That value written in denominator. Then directly also if you get the answer. Okay na? Right. Next one Sima. 17th. X by e power x square integral dx. Here substitution what na? So e power x square there. Now if we take here, suppose x square is equal to t, then what put on this value? 2x dx is equal to dt value. Okay na? Next, x into dx is equal to dt by 2. That is equal to integral x dx dt by 2 into 1 by this value how much? E power t. That is equal to 1 by 2 integral e power minus t dt. My integral e power x dx is equal to e power x. But e power minus x means e power minus x by minus 1. So like that only if written here 1 by 2 e power minus t divides minus 1 plus c value. Minus 1 plus c. So that is equal to finally what written here? Minus 1 by 2 into e power t plus c. That is equal to minus 1 by 2 1 by e power x square plus c value, e power x square plus c. Okay na? So that is the solution of that 17th one. Next 18th, integral e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Integral e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Here easily we understood which one substitution. So denominator 1 by 1 plus x square if you want means if we take the value tan inverse x. So then what we are done here? Let tan inverse x is equal to t. Now what is the derivative of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equal to dt. That is equal to integral e power t into dt. Okay na? So tan inverse x is equal to t. Now what is the derivative of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Then this value is equal to dt. So then what would have done? E power t 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. E power t is equal to what? E power t plus c. That is equal to e power tan inverse x plus c value. So next 19th Sima. This one also previous bits 18 and 19 also previous 1 mark questions. So he given Sima here integral e power 2x minus 1 e power 2x plus 1 into dx. Now if you want to find out this integral value, substitution e power 2x substitution 2 into e power 2x plus 1 0, but numerator value minus 1 there. So that's why first we simplifying this given integral e power x into e power x minus 1 by e power x into e power x plus 1 into dx. Okay na? So e power 2x can be split into two terms, e power x into e power x, e power x into e power x. Now if we take e power x common, numerator and denominator, e power x common if it means e power x minus e power x divides and again e power x. So e power x plus e power minus x into dx. E power x cancellation. Now if we take the substitution, let e power x minus e power x plus e power x plus e power minus x is equal to t. Now what is the derivative of this one? E power x. E power minus x into minus 1. So that's why e power minus x into dx is equal to dt value. Dx is equal to dt. Now in this value we are substituting in the integral value. Then what would I done Sima here? So that integration if you want to substitute it means that continuation here I done. So this integral that is equal to, here what there ma? Integral e power x minus e power x dx. E power x minus dx is equal to numerator value is equal to this value dt divides denominator value e power x plus e power minus x is equal to t value. Then that is equal to log t plus c, that is equal to log of t. T is equal to how much here? E power x plus e power minus x plus c value. So that is the integral value of this one. So once again lesion ma. So here what given? E power 2x minus 1 given, e power 2x plus 1 given. Right, Sima? Here e power 2x minus 1, e power 2x plus 2. So generally previous if you take directly substitution, but here directly substitution not possible. So if you simplifying this one, this e power 2x if you write e power x into e power x, e power 2x written e power x into e power x. Then you take common. When we take e power x, here e power x value not there, 1 only there. So 1 by e power 1 by e power x is nothing but e power minus x. Here also 1 by e power is nothing but e power minus x. E power x cancellation. Now here if you take the substitution, this value if you take the value t, now this derivative is equal to x. So this is the numerator value. Now you substituted there. E power x minus e power x dx is equal to dt, and e power x plus e power minus x is equal to t. So general formula log t plus c, log of e power x plus e power minus x plus t value. Okay na? Right. My 19th similar question, Sima. 19th similar model. Integral e power 2x minus e power minus 2x by e power 2x plus e power minus 2x dx. Here if you want to find out the integral value of this given function. So here simplification means directly if you take e power 2x means e power 2x plus this is the t value, then what happened? E power 2x derivative e power 2x into 2, e power minus 2x into 2. So this term there are 2 only common, so no problem. So that's why if you took the value, if you consider, so e power 2x plus e power minus 2x is equal to t. Now if you applying the derivative, e power 2x into 2 minus e power minus 2x into minus 2, sorry, plus, okay na, into dx is equal to dt value. E power 2x into 2, e power minus 2x what ma? E power minus 2x into minus 2 value. Then 2 common if you write 2 common if you write means e power 2x minus e power 2x dx is equal to dt. Now numerator value e power 2x minus e power minus 2x dx. Instead of this place 2 taken on to the side, dt by 2 value. So that's why what we done here, that is equal to integral. Instead of this numerator, what we done here, dt by 2 value. Now 1 by this denominator value is equal to t. Then that is equal to what we done here, 1 by 2 into log t plus c. That is equal to 1 by 2 into log t is equal to how much ma? E power 2x plus e power minus 2x plus c value. So log of e power 2x plus e power minus 2x plus c value. Here Sima, here previous 19th question if you split that function, but here splitting not required, directly if you take this value t, this derivative e power 2x into 2, again e power minus 2x into 2. So total dx is equal to dt. 2 only common if you take an e power 2x plus into minus e power 2x. Instead of this total value, numerator value, if you substitute the value dt by 2 value, denominator t, 1 by t. So log t plus c value. Okay na? Right. 1 tan inverse tan square of 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3 integral dx. But generally in standard formula, so integral tan square x formula there are. So directly tan square x formula not there. So if you converted that value, that identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Then tan square theta is equal to what we have done? Secant square theta minus 1. So then we substituted that identity. Then what we have done? This value secant square of 2x minus 3 minus 1 into dx. That is equal to this value secant square x, integral secant square x dx is equal to tan x. Then what we have done here, tan of 2x minus 3, okay na, again 2x minus 3 derivative by 3 minus x plus c value. Okay na? So tan square x, suppose if you assumption this total value x, tan square x integration not there. Tan square x how do we convert it means secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. Then tan square x if you want means secant square x minus 1 value. Now this integration, integral secant square x dx is equal to tan x. So directly if you run tan 2x into derivative of 2x minus 3, here 2 value, not 3, 2, x multiple 2. So that's why 2 if written and minus 3 minus x plus 3. Otherwise, if you take substitution, 2x minus 3 is equal to t if you consider, then derivative what? 2x, 2 dx is equal to dt value, then dx is equal to dt by 2. There also if you get the value dt by 2 value, dt by dx is equal to how much? Dt by 2 value, this one tan square t value, tan square t is equal to secant square t minus 1 value. Okay na? Right. So 22 Sima, secant square, integral secant square of 7 minus 4x into dx is equal to, so direct integral secant square x is equal to tan x. Then what would have tan of 7 minus 4x by minus 4 plus c value. Otherwise substitution if you want means 7 minus 4x is equal to t, minus 4 into dx is equal to dt, dx is equal to dt by minus 4 value, dt by minus 4. Then we substitute the value is equal to this function. Okay na? Right, 23 Sima. 23. Integral sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square dx. Integral sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square dx value. X square dx value. Then what would have here substitution? So sin inverse x is equal to t, then this integral value root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt value, that is equal to integral. So sin inverse x t 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to how much? Dt value. So this value is equal to t. Then if you run the value t square by 2 plus c, that is equal to t square means value how much here? Sin inverse x whole square by 2 plus c value. 24th question, integral 2 into cos x minus 3 sin x divides 6 cos x plus 4 sin x into dx. Okay na? Now here substitution means substitution directly not possible. So that's why integral 2 into cos x minus 3 into sin x. Here 2 common if written means denominator. So 3 into cos x plus 2 into sin x into dx. Now see that bracket value only we consider substitution. Then what would happen here? 3 into cos x plus 2 into sin x is equal to t. Now what is the derivative of this one sin x? 3 minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x into dx is equal to dt value. Now numerator see minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x. So denominator dx if you replace dt value, that is equal to 1 by 2 integral dt by this value 3 cos x plus 2 sin x, 3 cos x plus 2 sin x is equal to t, that is equal to 1 by 2 into log t plus c. So that is equal to sigma here 1 by 2 into log of t is equal to how much here? 3 cos x plus 2 sin x plus c value. Okay na? Right, next 25th integral 1 by cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square dx, 1 minus tan x whole square dx. Okay na? Here substitution means denominator there, numerator nothing. So that's why if you converted numerator means that is equal to what we done here? Cos taken out to numerator. Then what we done here? Secant square x divides 1 minus tan x whole square dx. Now see tan x derivative secant square x. So that's why 1 minus tan x is equal to t. So 1 derivative 0 minus secant square x dx is equal to dt value. That is equal to integral. But secant square x dx is equal to minus dt by 1 minus tan x is equal to t. So this value t square. Now if we take a minus integral, this value how much more? T power minus 2. T power minus 2 into dt value. T power minus 2 means t power minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. Minus minus become as a plus. So t power minus 1 by t plus c value. So that's why finally what we done here, 1 by t plus c, that is equal to 1 by t plus c. Instead of this value, if you want to write means 1 by t is equal to how much more here? 1 minus tan x plus c value. Okay na? So from this final answer, that one 1 by 1 minus tan x plus c value, 1 by t value. So first if we take this value numerator converted, so cos reciprocal secant square x, then 1 minus tan x is equal to t, tan derivative secant square x dx minus dt by this value t square derivative 1 by t square means 1 by t power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 denominator, minus minus become as plus t power minus 1 by t. So 1 by t means this value. If you substitute the value, sorry here after integration of this value, t power minus 2 minus 1 by t. So if we get the value 1 by 1 minus tan x plus c value. The important this bit 26th one. So cos root x integral root x by root x into dx. So previous question, previous question, integral cot root x by root x into dx. Now here we shall take the substitution, root x is equal to t. Then what is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 into root x dx is equal to dt. 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 into dt. Now see integral cos root x by root x dx is equal to integral cos root x means this value cos t into 1 by root x into dx is equal to 2 into dt value, that is equal to 2 into integral cos t into dt. Cos t derivative what? Sin t plus c. So finally what we done here, t is equal to root x, so that is equal to 2 into sin root x plus c value, 2 into sin root x plus c value. Okay na? Next 27th integral root of sin 2x into cos 2x dx. Okay na? Here substitution, let sin 2x is equal to t. Sin derivative cos 2x into 2 dx is equal to dt. Then cos 2x dx is equal to dt by 2, that is equal to integral. So sin 2x is equal to root t into cos 2x dx is equal to how much more? dt by 2 value, that is equal to 1 by 2 integral t power 1 by 2 dt. So t power 1 by 2 means plus 1, 3 by 2. So then what we done here, 1 by 2 into t power 3 by 2 divides 3 by 2 plus c. Okay na? So next step what we done here, that implies next step means 2 cancellation. So 1 by 3 into t is equal to how much here? Sin 2x. So sin 2x whole power 3 by 2 plus c value, 3 by 2 plus c value. Okay na? 28th cos x by root of 1 plus sin x integral dx. Cos x by root of 1 plus sin x. Easy ma this one. So first we take the value 1 plus sin x is equal to t. So now what is the derivative of sin x? Cos x dx is equal to dt. Then that is equal to integral cos x dx is equal to dt by this value how much more? Root t value. Then that is equal to integral t power minus 1 by 2 into dt. Then minus 1 by 2 plus 1 root t. So this value how much you brought on? T power 1 by 2 divides 1 by 2 plus c. that is equal to 2 into t power 1 plus sin x whole power 1 by 2 plus c, or 2 into root of 1 plus sin x plus c value. Okay na? Next, so 29 previous question this year given. So 2019 bit ma this one 2000 this year given board integral cot x into log of sin x, cot x into log of sin x dx. So cot x into log of sin x dx. Here substitution ma. So first we take the value, let log of sin x is equal to t. Log of sin x is equal to t. Log x derivative 1 by x means sin x. Sin x derivative cos x into dx is equal to dt. Then finally how much this value? Cot x dx is equal to dt. That is equal to integral cot x dx is equal to dt value. Log sin x is equal to t. Then what we done here? T square by 2 plus c. That is equal to 1 by 2. T is equal to how much here? Log sin x whole square plus c value. T square by 2. So log of sin x is equal to t. Log x, log of sin x derivative 1 by sin x. Sin x derivative cos. Cos by sin cot. Dx is equal to dt. Integral cot x dx place dt value. Log of sin x totally t value. Then t square by 2. 1 by 2 into log of sin x whole square plus c value. Okay. Sin x integral sin x by 1 plus cos x, sin x by 1 plus cos x. Now here substitution, if you take the substitution, let 1 plus cos x is equal to t. Now what is the derivative of this function? Minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Okay na? Now that is equal to integral sin x dx is equal to minus dt by t value. Again 1 plus cos x is equal to t, 1 by t. So minus this value what we done? Log t plus c. That is equal to minus log of 1 plus cos x plus c value. So next one 31. Integral sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square dx. So both are same concept, but here only 1 plus cos x given that question. Here 1 plus cos x whole square, same comparison ma. So then if we take the value here, let 1 plus cos x is equal to t minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So sin x dx is equal to minus dt. That is equal to integral sin x dx is equal to minus dt by 1 plus cos x is equal to t square. Then minus integral t power minus 2 into dt value. So t power minus 2 means minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. That is equal to minus minus become as a plus 1 by t plus c value. T power minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 means t power 1. So minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1. Minus into minus plus t power minus 1 1 by t. So that is equal to what we done here? That is equal to 1 by 1 plus cos x plus c value. 1 by 1 plus cot x into dx. 1 by integral 1 by 1 plus cot x into dx. Here Sima. So cot x, first simplifying this value, if you run this value, cot x how to run? Cos by sin. So LCM if you take it means this denominator numerator value sin x by, here again what we run? Sin x plus cos x into dx. But these questions are some different, 32 and 33 some different cases. Here 1 plus cot x given. So cos by sin, cos by sin LCM, sin x plus cos x. Reciprocal if you take it means again sin x. Now if you multiplying this value 2, multiplying and divisible with 2, then this value how much more? 2 sin x and 2. Otherwise if you not require 2 cancellation, if you get this value. So this value sin x plus cos x into dx value. Again, if you write on this value, 1 by 2 integral of, so this 2 sin x, 1 sin x plus cos x plus, again what we write on here, sin x minus cos x by this value how much more here, sin x plus cos x into dx. Okay na? So first cot x value if you convert to cos by sin, then if you find out LCM, reciprocal, sin by next. Next step, if you multiplying 2 and divisible with the 2, after then this 2 sin x, if you add cos x and subtract the cos x, sin x plus sin x again 2x. Now if you separate the integral value, integral 1 by 2 integral sin x plus cos x by sin x plus cos x into dx plus 1 by 2 integral sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x into dx value, into dx. Okay na? So the denominator split two terms, then what we will see here, that is equal to 1 by 2. But these two are cancellation of sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x. So integral 1 dx plus, here if you write on this value, suppose this total part, this part then here 1 by 2 as it is written, integral this value sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x dx value. Next step what we written here, so 1 by 2 integral 1 means x value, then what we written here, x by 2 plus c1 by 2 written. Now this value if you take I, this value if you consider I value, now this is the equation 1. Okay na? Now consider I is equal to integral sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x dx. Now here we take the substitution, let sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Now derivative what ma? Cos sin x derivative, cos x minus sin x. Cos x derivative, sin x derivative, cos x derivative, sin x is equal to this value, dx is equal to dt value, dx is equal to dt value, dx is equal to dt. Now if we take minus common, then what will on this value, sin x minus cos x dx is equal to minus dt. So above we substituted I is equal to integral sin x minus cos x dx is equal to minus dt by this value is equal to how much t value. Then what we write on this value, minus log t plus c. Okay na? Otherwise t plus c2 right, t plus c2, that is equal to minus log of this value how much here, t is equal to sin x plus cos x plus c2. Okay na? So minus log of sin x plus cos x plus c2. Now this value is substituting in equation 1. So then what we run here, equation 1, equation 1. Here we substitute the value from equation 1. What we run see here, from equation 1 if you substitute the value from equation 1, what is there mother? So this total value, integral, this value what given there, integral 1 by 1 plus cot x dx is equal to x by 2 plus c1 by 2 plus I is equal to how much if we get the value here, I minus log of sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x plus c2, sin x plus cos x plus c2. Okay na? Here 1 by 2 value there, 1 by 2 into I written, then if you write on the value here also 1 by 2 and here also by 2. Then finally if you write on this value, x by 2 minus 1 by 2 into log of this value sin x plus cos x plus c. Here here C is equal to C1 by 2 plus C2 by 2 value. C1 by 2 plus C2 by 2 value. Okay na? So once again listen ma. So first that given integral, what given? Integral 1 by 1 plus cot x dx. Then if we find out the LCM, cot x cos by sin, and we find out the LCM, and finally we simplifying this value x by 2 c by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into I. Just I consider I is equal to this value, and I find out this I value totally minus log of sin x plus cos x plus c2 value. This I value is substituting again in equation 1, x by 2 plus c1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 log of sin x plus c2 there nama, c2 also multiplying with 1 by 2. So this here c1 by 2 and c2 by 2 you consider c value, x by 2 minus 1 by 2 log of this value plus c value. Okay na? Question number 33, integral 1 by 1 minus tan x dx. Integral 1 by 1 minus tan x dx. So previous question what? Integral 1 by 1 plus cot x given. Now this one also if you simplifying similarly 1 by 1 minus, or this one tan x means what? Sin by cos. Then what we done here? Cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x by this value what ma? Cos x into dx value. Then reciprocally if done means integral this value what we done here? Cos x by this value ma? Cos x minus sin x into dx. And here also same. Next step ma, if you multiplying and divisible with 2 into this value what we done here? 2 cos x by this value ma? Cos x minus sin x into d value. Okay na? So here 2 cos x there. Now here sin x. If you add and subtract again sin x value. Then add and subtract sin x means what we done here? 1 by 2 into integral first value cos x minus sin x plus again cos x plus sin x divides this value ma? Cos x minus sin x into dx. Okay na? Here 2 cos x plus cos x. So cos x plus cos x, another minus sin x plus sin x. Now if you separate the integration, then what we done? 1 by 2 into integral this value ma? Cos x minus sin x by again this value ma? Cos x minus sin x dx plus, and next one what we done here? 1 by 2 integral x plus sin x by cos x minus sin x into dx. Okay na? Now here ma? Cos x minus sin x cancellation. This value is equal to 1 by 2 integral 1 dx plus 1 by 2 integral this value again cos x plus sin x by this value ma? Cos x minus sin x dx value. Now this integration what we done here? X by 2 plus c1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into I. 1 by 2 into I. Now this is the I value. Okay. Now consider I is equal to integral cos x plus sin x by cos x minus sin x dx value. Now here substitution ma? Let cos x minus sin x is equal to t. Then cos x derivative what here? Minus sin x. This derivative what ma? Minus, actually cos x minus there. Dx is equal to dt. Dx is equal to dt. Okay na? Now this value minus sin x minus cos x dx is equal to dt. Otherwise if you want to take here what we taken value minus common, if you taken means minus half sin x plus cos x dx is equal to dt value. Okay na? Dx is equal to dt. Now here we substituted ma? I place I is equal to integral cos x plus sin x. Cos x plus sin x is equal to how much here? Minus dt value divides cos x minus sin x is equal to t value. Then finally what we done here? I is equal to minus log t plus c value. Log t plus c. That is equal to minus log of t is equal to how much here? Cos x minus sin x plus c value. Now this value substituting in equation 1. So from 1 what we done see here? From equation 1. from equation 1 integral 1 by 1 minus tan x dx is equal to how much there here x by 2 plus c1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into log of this value how much here cos x minus sin x plus c. Suppose this value if you consider c2, so c2 by 2. So then finally if you run this value, that is equal to x by 2 minus 1 by 2 log of mod cos x minus sin x plus c value. Here c1 by 2 plus c2 by 2 is equal to c value. Here if you want to run here c1 by 2 plus c2 by 2 is equal to c value. Okay na? So same model previous question also like that only. If you prove that this is some lengthy question this one. Okay na? Right. Right, next 34th bit integral root of tan x by sin x into cos x, sin x into cos x value. So here simplification means just on operating integral root of tan x as it is written and this value sin x by cos x into cos square x dx means what here if you multiplying sin x divisible with cos x multiplying with cos x into cos x cos square x and the denominator cos x, then how to run this value, that is equal to integral root of tan x. So cos taken under the numerator secant square x divides this value how much sin by cos tan x into dx. Okay na? Otherwise if you want to simplify this value then what would run here, that is equal to integral root tan x root tan x into root tan x. Then if you want to simplify square root secant square x root of tan x dx. Correct? So tan x value root of tan x into root of tan x root tan x cancellation. Now if you take the substitution value here, tan x is equal to t. So tan x is equal to t means the value how much secant square x dx is equal to dt value. Secant square x dx is equal to dt. So that is equal to integral secant square x dx is equal to dt by root t value. Then if you run this value, that is equal to integral t power minus 1 by 2 t, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 means plus 1 t power 1 by 2. So t power 1 by 2 divides 1 by 2 plus c, that is equal to 2 into root of t plus c, that is equal to what we written here 2 into root of t is equal to how much here tan x plus c value, okay na? So here once again listen here in this given question, if you multiplying and divisible with the cos in denominator only, sin by cos x, cos into cos square x, cos taken onto numerator secant square x, sin by cos tan, here root tan x, here tan x. So root tan x into root tan x, one root tan x cancellation, root tan x is equal to t derivative secant square x dx is equal to dt and root t. So t taken onto power means minus 1 by 2 and we applying the integration minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 means half 1 by 2 root into tan x plus c value. Log x by x. So this one whole square 1 plus log x whole square by x integral dx. Now if we take one here, let 1 plus log x is equal to t. So 1 derivative 0, log x derivative 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Then that is equal to integral 1 by x into dx is equal to dt value 1 plus log x is equal to t square. Then what we done here, t cube by 3 plus c value, that is equal to 1 by 3. T is equal to 1 plus log x whole cube, 1 plus log x whole cube plus a c value. Okay na? So 1 plus log x is equal to t, log 1 plus log x means 1 derivative 0, 1 by x dx is equal to dt value. Then 1 by x dx is equal to dt means this value 1 plus log x t square. So t cube by 3 value. Next 36, question number 36 ma. Integral x plus 1 into x plus log x whole square divides x into dx value, x into dx. Okay na? Now see this one, that is equal to integral x plus log x whole square into x plus 1 by x dx. So these two if you write on one pair, x plus log x whole square, one pair read. Now if we take the value here again, let x plus 1 plus x is equal to t. So x derivative 1, log x derivative 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. Now LCM if you taken means what? X plus 1 by x dx is equal to dt value. Okay na? Now here see x plus 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So in the above integration integral value, then what we substitute down, x plus 1 by 1 log x is equal to t. So t square, this value is equal to t square into dt value, that is equal to what we run this value, t cube by 3 plus c, that is equal to 1 by 3. T cube is equal to x plus log x whole cube plus c value. X cube sine of tan inverse x power 4 divides 1 plus x power 8 integral dx value. Right, Sima? X cube sine of tan inverse of x power 4 by 1 plus x power 8 dx value. Now substitution what we done here? For example, if we take tan inverse x power 4 is equal to t. Now what is the derivative of tan inverse x? D by dx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Now 1 by 1 plus x square means x power 4 whole square into dx is equal to dt, means 1 by 1 plus x power 8 into dx is equal to dt. Okay na? So this term eliminated. So that is equal to integral integral again here Sima, here 1 by 1 plus x square, again derivative of this value. So if you want to write on this derivative of x power 4 derivative how much more? 4 into x cube into dx is equal to dt. Then what we write on here? So 4 value taken on this side, x cube by this value, x cube by 1 plus x power 8 into dx is equal to dt by 4 value, dt by 4, right? One minute lesson here, tan inverse of x power 4 is equal to t. Generally what we done, derivative of this function 1 by 1 plus x square, again x plus x not there, here x power 4 there, so that's why we are applying the derivative of x power 4. Then what we done here, this value 4 into x cube value, 4 into x cube value, dx is equal to dt, dx is equal to dt value. Okay na? So next step, x cube 1 plus x square, dx is equal to dt by 4 value. Next what we substituted here, this value substituting in the given integral, this value how much ma? X cube sine of, this value how much there here, tan inverse of x power 4 by 1 plus x power 8 dx is equal to integral here x cube by 1 plus x power 8 dx is equal to dt by 4 value. Instead of this value, dt by x cube dx by 1 plus x power 8 dt by 4. Remaining value sine of tan inverse of x power 4 means value how much more? Sine t value. That is equal to this value 1 by 4 integral sine t dt. That is equal to what we done here? 1 by 4 sine value minus cos t plus c. That is equal to minus 1 by 4 cos of t is equal to how much more? Tan inverse of x power 4 value plus c. Okay na? Here if you want to write on means d by dx of this value, d by dx of x power 4 into dx is equal to dt. Then clear that one, okay na? D by dx of x power 4 dx into dt, x power 4 derivative 4 into x cube dx is equal to dt value. Right, next the total exercise questions over, and he given 2 objective bits given, choose the correct answer in exercise. So 38 bit objective type bit given, and this question also previous, these 2 questions previous, one more questions integral, he given question what given 10 into x power 9, 10 into x power 9 plus 10 power x into 10 power x into log 10 base c dx by log 10 base c dx by x power 10 plus 10 power x, 10 power x, okay na? Now here if we take the substitution, then what we take here, log, letter x power 10 plus 10 power x is equal to t radar. So x power 10 derivative what we done, 10 into x power n formula, so 10 into x power 9 plus a power x formula, 10 power x into log 10 base c into dx is equal to how much dt value. Now above integration, that is equal to numerator value how much 10 into x power 9 plus 10 power x into log 10 base c dx is equal to dt by t value, that is equal to finally log of t plus c, that is equal to value how much log of t is equal to x power 10 plus 10 power x plus c value, log of x power 10 plus 10 power x plus c. Option 3, option is 3 option, means third option, C, he given D option, fourth option, option D. So that question. Next another one 39 question, integral dx by sin square x into cos square x, sin square x into cos square x value, integral dx by sin square x into cos square x. Then how to simplify in this one? So that is equal to this one, just we, that numerator value 1 there. So 1 means sin cos identity there, no trigonometry identity. Now we are applying that identity, sin square x plus cos square x divides this value sin square x into cos square x dx value. Now we separate the integration, then what we done here, integral this value sin square x by sin square x into cos square x dx plus again this value what we done here, cos square x by this value sin square x into cos square x dx. Sin square x cancellation, integral 1 by this value how much here, cos square x dx plus integral 1 by sin square x dx value, sin square x dx. So 1 by sin square x means cos square x means secant square x, integral secant square x dx plus integral this value how much cosecant square x dx. Now direct formula there, integral secant square x means tan x minus this value cot x plus c value, tan x minus cot x, tan x minus cot x plus c. So option B this one, option B, this question option is B, this question option is D, okay na? So that is the 7.2 exercise, all questions completed by which method, this one substitution method. Right, next concept means indefinite integral only, another part this one, integration using trigonometric identities, integration using trigonometric identities. This is also in one part in substitution method only. So just I revise already what we learn in first year trigonometry concept formulas, those are formulas here useful for if you solving some questions. So already if you know that this trigonometric formulas, so sin 2x is equal to how much? Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x, 2 sin x into cos x, and again cos 2x formulas, cos 2x is equal to 3 standard formulas there. First one cos square x minus sin square x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1 and that is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So from this combination, if you run some formulas, only if you want cos square x, then what would run here? Cos square x is equal to, from this 2, so 1 taken out to this side, 1 plus cos 2x by 2 value, and sin square x if you want, then what would run this value? 2 sin square x taken out to this side means 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So these two formulas very important, ma. And these two formulas very important. If you substituting so many times in that integration problems, from these two formulas, cos 2x, cos square x minus sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus sin square x. From that formula only, cos square x if you want means 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Sin square x if you want means 1 minus cos 2x by 2 value. Then sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, and next one cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay na? So first sin 2x, cos 2x and sin 3x, cos 3x values. So next continuation there, that formulas. Next one sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b is equal to 2 sin a into cos b value. Next again sin a plus b minus sin a minus b is equal to 2 cos a sin b value. So next one cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to 2 cos a cos b value. Next cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is equal to 2 sin a sin b value. So these four also very important. Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, 2 sin a cos b, sin a plus b minus sin a minus b, 2 cos a sin b, cos a plus b cos a minus b, 2 cos a cos b, cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, 2 sin a sin b. So these trigonometric formulas is sort of we substituting these formulas in the given questions and we simplifying the integration. Next exercise questions. Okay, ma? Right, Sima, exercise 7.3, just we discussed Noma, integration using trigonometric identities. So that related questions here there. So if we are applying that formulas, identities in the given question and we simplifying the integration problems. So find the integral of the function in the following. Find the integral of the function. See, one point we remember here different type of models there. We are applying the trigonometric function by using trigonometric integration by using the trigonometric functions or substitution methods, next partial fractions, by parts, but particularly questions like that not given. In questions in an exam, he given just integrate or evaluate the integral. Then we give the suitable method, which method useful for that given question, then we applying that method and we simplifying the given questions. Okay na? Right, first one, Sima. So first one given sin square of integral sin square of 2x plus 5 into dx, 2x plus 5 into dx. Then how to simplify sin square integration. So just now I revised one formula, this formula, what ma? Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. From that formula, sin square x is equal to what put on here? 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Just I revised this formula in boxes also. Okay, na sin square x is equal to what? 1 minus cos 2x by 2 value. Now we substituted, if we replace in that sin square of 2x plus 5 place, what we have done here? 1 minus cos of 2 into x plus how much we have done? 2x plus 5 divides 2 dx. Okay, na? So like that, if you simplifying these questions, which proper trigonometric formula we substituted and we simplifying the given functions, then that is equal to what? This integral, this value 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 2 multiplication cos of 4x plus 10, cos of 4x plus 10 into dx. Okay, na? Now this function integral value what? Here 1 by 2 means a constant. Then if you run this value x by 2 minus this value 1 by 2. Cos function integral value sine of this value 4x plus 10 divides again x multiple 4 plus c. So finally what we run here? X by 2 minus 1 by 8 into sine of 4x plus 10 plus c value. Okay, na? So that is the first one. And second one, and second question ma, integral sine 3x integral sine 3x cos 4x, integral sine 3x into cos 4x value. Now this type of product given means must and should we take multiplying 2 and multiplying and divisible with the 2 value. So then how to run on this value? 1 by 2 into 2 into sine 3x cos 4x dx value. Just I revised on trigonometric formula. So sine cos multiple means what would run? Sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b is equal to 2 sine a cos b. Now we substituted that formula. Then what would run this one? 1 by 2 integral. Here what would run? Sine of a plus b, 3x plus 4x, 7x plus, actually plus. Then what would run? Sine of a minus b. Sine of a minus b means 3x minus 4x minus sine of minus x. Sine of minus x, that is equal to, next step what would run here? 1 by 2 integral sine 7x dx minus sine of minus theta minus sine theta 1 by 2 integral sine x dx value, that is equal to 1 by 2 into minus cos 7x by 7 plus 1 by 2 this value what ma? Cos x plus c value. Then finally what would run here? 1 by 2 this value cos x plus minus cos 7x by 14 plus c value. 2 7s are 14. Okay, na? So just we remember here, whenever this type of terms, product given means 3 terms given, 4 terms given, just we take 2 pairs. 2 pairs if we taken and multiplying and divisible with 2 value. So 1 by 2 into 2 sine 3x 4. So 2 sine a cos b formula, sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. A plus b means 3 plus 4, 7x, 3 minus 4x minus x. So that's why I written here minus. Then we simplifying this one. Okay, na? Right. Next, third bit ma. Third one, integral cos 2x cos 4x cos 6x dx. Okay, na? Integral cos 2x cos 4x cos 6x dx. Just now simplifying one question. They are given 2 product but different sine cos given. Here same their combination. Same given or different given, we applying the same process, multiplying and divisible with the 2 value, 2 number. So then 1 by 2 integral 2 into any 2 pairs if you taken, your choice that one, no problem, any 2 pairs. So first we selected 2x into cos 4x into this value how much here? Cos 6x into dx value. Now that is equal to 1 by 2 integral 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B means cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So cos of A plus B 6x plus cos of A minus B 2x minus 4x minus cos of minus theta cos theta. So no problem. 2x minus 4x minus 2x, but if written 2x only written, no problem. So cos 6x into dx, that is equal to 1 by 2 integral multiplying with the cos 6x. Cos 6x into cos 6x cos square 6x dx plus 1 by 2 integral this value cos 2x into cos 6x dx value. Okay na? So first multiplying and divisible with the 2. Any two pair numbers, any two terms we taken. First two terms, third one. Now we applying the formula 2 cos A cos B. Formula what no? Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B is equal to 2 cos A cos B. So that's why if you add these two values, 2x plus 4x, 6x, 2x minus 4x minus 2x. But this is the cos function. Cos negative value become as a positive. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So that's why if written cos 2x. Then we multiplying again with the cos 6x. Then what we done here? Integral. So 1 by 2 into integral cos square 6x. Just now I revised that formula. Cos square 6x. Cos square x means cos 2x is equal to what ma? 2 cos square x minus 1. So from that formula cos square x is equal to what we done here? Cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2 value. 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. 1 take on this side, 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Now so we substituted that formula here. Here see cos square x. X means how much here? 6x. So x plus 6x written. 1 plus 6x if written means 2 into 6x. 12x by 2 into dx plus again here 1 by 4. This value how much ma? 1 by 4 into 2 into cos 2x cos 6x. So again why you multiplying and divisible with here product of two terms there. Here product of two terms not there. There but we convert it into formula. Now if you simplify this value 2 taken out outside 1 by 4 integral this value how much here? Integral of 1 plus cos 12x. So 1 integral how much ma? X value. Next cos sin 12x by 12 value. So this is the integration, first integral value. Then this value what we done again here 1 by 4 integral of this value 2 cos x, 2 cos A cos B, cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Then what we done here? Cos of A plus B 8x plus cos of A minus B 4x into dx value, into dx. Next we substituted these values. Then finally here 1 by 4 there, here 1 by 4 there. Overall 1 by 4 if you taken common here, what we done here? 1 by 4 common. First x value plus sin 12x by 12 plus here only written plus. Now cos 8x integration sin 8x by 8 plus cos 4x integration sin 4x by 4 overall plus c value. Okay na? Right, once again division ma. So integral cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x, 3 terms given. So this type of questions, product form given means if you multiplying and divisible with 2. So first any two terms if we taken and we convert it into trigonometric formula. So 2 cos A cos B, cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. 2x plus 4x, 6x, 2x minus 4x, 2x. Again we multiplying with the cos 6x. So cos square 6x, cos 2x into cos 6x. Here we substitute the formula 1 plus cos 2x by 2. 6 multiplying with the 2, so 12x. Now if we take 2 common, 1 by 2 into 2, 1 by 4 and 1 derivative x, integration x, cos, derivative integration sin, 12x by 12 value plus. Here again if you multiplying with the 2 and divisible with the 2, here 2 cos 2x cos 6x there. Now this 1 by 4 cos 2 cos A cos B formula, cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, 2x plus 6x 8x, 2x minus 6x 4x value. Now we are applying the integration value. So this is the final solution of that given question. Next fourth bit ma, sine cube given. Fourth bit here sine cube of 2x plus 1 integral sine cube of 2x plus 1 into dx. So already explained one formula, sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Okay na? So integral sine cube of 2x plus 1 value if you want integral value, then we applying this trigonometric formula, sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. 4 sine cube x taken on to this side ma. So 4 sine cube x is equal to 3 sine x minus sine 3x. Then sine cube x is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 sine x minus sine 3x value. Now here we substituted that sine cube formula, that is equal to what we have done here, integral of 1 by 4 into 3 sine x, 3 into sine x, x means 2x plus 1 minus sine 3 into 2x plus 1 into dx value, okay na? Sima, sine cube x, now we comparing this one, sine cube x is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 sine x minus sine 3x. Now add here 1 by 4, 3 sine x, x means 2x plus 1 minus sine of 3 into 2x plus 1 value. Now we are applying the integration. So 1 by 4 common there, total term 1 by 4 outside, 1 by 4 integral 3 into sine of 2x plus 1 into dx minus integral of sine of 6x plus 1 into dx. Okay na? So first 1 by 4. So totally 1 by 4, then 1 by 4 if you taken outside, 3 into sine this integration and sine of 6x plus 3. 6x 3 2s are 6x plus 3 dx value. Now here see 1 by 4 into, so this value minus 3 into cos of 2x plus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus this value again cos of 6x plus 3 by 6, cos of 6x plus by 6 plus c value, okay na? So up to this solution over, but if you want textbook solution, if you want means, then what we done here, minus 3 by 8 cos of 2x plus 1 minus plus this value 1 by 24. Here this value if you want to convert it, cos of 3 into 2x plus 1 plus c value. Now this formula again cos 3 theta formula, then what we done here, cos 3 theta formula means 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So next step Sima, that is equal to minus 3 by 8 cos of 2x plus 1 plus 1 by 24 into, so cos 3 theta, 4 cos cube theta, 4 cos cube theta means 2x plus 1 value minus 3 cos theta 2x plus 1 plus c value. Then see that is equal to minus 3 by 8 cos of 2x plus 1 plus 4 1s are 4 6s are. So 1 by 6 cos cube of 2x plus 1 minus 1 by 8, 3 1s are 3 8s are. Cos of 2x plus 1 plus c. Here see 1 by 8 there, here minus 3 by 8, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, minus 4 by 8 means minus 1 by 2. That is equal to minus 1 by 2 into cos of 2x plus 1 plus 1 by 6 into cos cube of 2x plus 1 plus 6. So that is the final answer in textbook. Up to this one, okay. Otherwise if you simplifying, finally if you simplifying, this is the final textbook answer. Integral sine cube x cos cube x dx. Integral sine cube x cos cube x dx. Here see so just we simplifying this one this one if you done sine square x into sine x into cos cube x dx. Again if you done integral 1 minus cos square x into this value cos cube x into sin x into dx, right? Sin x into dx. Now if we take the substitution here, let cos x is equal to t, then derivative what cos x derivative minus sin x dx is equal to dt, and sin x dx is equal to minus dt, that is equal to integral 1 minus t square into t cube into sin x dx is equal to minus dt value, minus dt. Next, that is equal to, here see here minus common taken, already minus there, no, t square minus 100, then minus become as a positive, integral this value t square minus 1, t square minus 1 into t cube into dt, that is equal to integral t power 5 minus t cube into dt, that is equal to t power 6 by 6 t power 4 by 4 plus c value. Now t power 6, t is equal to cos, so 1 by 6 into cos power 6x 1 by 4 into cos power 4x plus c value. Sixth one, integral sin x sin 2x sin 3x dx, integral sin x sin 2x sin 3x dx. So previously I explained one question, cos combination, 3 terms are cos given, so same model one like that only. So first we multiplying and divisible with 2. Now if we take any 2, so now we choose here sin x sin 3x, one pair sin 2x if run separately and dx. Okay na? So 1 by 2. But 2 sin a cos b, 2 sin a sin b formula what cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So cos of a minus b x minus so 3x, x minus 3x means minus 2x means this value 2x, cos 2x minus cos of a plus b cos 4x into sin 2x into dx. Okay na? 2 sin a sin b cos of a minus b x minus 3x minus 2x, but a cos function a plus b x plus 4x. Now that is equal to 1 by 2 integral multiplying with the terms means what would run here, integral this value what would run here, cos 2x sin 2x minus again this value what cos 4x sin 2x dx. Now if you separate the integration, 1 by 2 integral, here this value what here, cos 2x sin 2x dx minus 1 by 2 integral this value cos 4x sin 2x dx value. Again we multiplying and divisible with 2. So 1 by 2 integral, 1 by 4 integral 2 into this value sin 2x into cos 2x dx minus 1 by 4 into integral 2 cos 4x into sin 2x dx value. Now here see 2 sin x cos x sin 2x formula, that is equal to 1 by 4 into integral sin, so 2x means already 2x there here, sin 4x dx minus 1 by 4 into integral, here what we done here, 2 cos a sin b, 2 cos a sin b, which formula, 2 cos a sin b, sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b, sin of a plus b, sin of a plus b, 4x plus 6x minus sin of a minus b, sin of a minus b, 4x minus 2x, so sin of a minus b, 4x minus 2x means 2x only, sin 2x into dx value. Now this value see that is equal to 1 by 4 minus cos 4x by 4 value, cos 4x by 4 minus 1 by 4 sin function minus into minus plus or cos 6x by 6 value minus into minus plus, but here minus there, minus cos or plus minus cos 2x by 2 plus c value. Then finally what we done here, that is equal to minus cos 4x by 16, cos 4x by 16. Next, minus into minus plus, cos 6x by 24 minus cos 2x by 2 plus c value. 2 plus c value. Okay na? So Sima, here sin 2x, sin 2x, sin 3x again. First we take the one pair, 2 sin x, 3x. Then we applying the formula 2 sin a, sin b, cos of a minus b minus cos a plus b, and this value, and again multiplying this value. Then we find out the sin 2x formula, sin 4x. Here sin 4x by 4 value there. Okay na? Sin 4x. And again here also we are applying the formula. Next here sin 4x, sin 2x, multiplying and divisible with the 2. So 1 by 4 into 2. Then we are applying this formula. And here 6 this value. Okay na? So this one. Okay na? So right here just we are multiplying with 1 by 4 sin cx and 1 by 4 this value also. Then here if you write on the value minus cos 2x by 8 plus c. 8 plus c value. Sorry.